All right, hi Isabelle. We're gonna make a practice video to help you practice Go Tell Aunt Rhody. We're starting hands separate. We're not gonna use the preparatory left hand study in the video, but you already know how to do that. So do that first before you watch the video. That's a good warm up for your left hand. We are gonna start with the left hand here. We're gonna do it one line at a time. Take a minute and look at what chords are being used in each line before you start. So you're gonna start with one chord in the first line, going to the 5, back to the 1, back to the 5, back to the 1, okay? So let's play the left hand, just the first line together. 1 and 2 and ready, play, and 1 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord. Okay, then notice what is different between the first and the third lines because they're mostly the same. Okay, so before we do the second line, because it's a lot different, we're gonna jump to the third line, okay? Third line, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord, but the only difference is that instead of doing the regular 1 chord at the end, it's gonna have a little special ending where it just does the top and bottom of the chord without the middle, okay? So let's practice the last line. It's just a little different with a different ending. Ready? Left hand on middle C, 1 and 2 and ready, play, and... Okay, now we're gonna go to the second line. The second line is adding the 4 chords. We have 1 chord, 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 4 chord, back to 1 chord, okay? Let's try the second line together. 1 and 2 and ready, go now. Now to 4, back to 1, back to 4, back to 1. Okay, remember the 4 chord skips between the A and the F. There's no finger on G, okay? Let's move to the right hand, and the right hand is going to be on C5 in our regular C position. In the first line, second line, we're moving our second finger over to E, so we're on E, F, G, A for the second line, and then back we go to our regular C position at the last line, okay? Here, if you're watching this for the first time, just listen, and then as you get used to the sound, you can try playing along. The right hand has some different counting. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Ready? Let's play the right hand. 1, 2, ready, play. On that long note. So we open it up for this part. Stay here. Now we go back to our regular position. So notice the first and third line is exactly the same with the right hand, and the left hand's almost the same. So you can just really practice the first 2 lines, and it should be pretty easy to add the third line in once you've got the first 2 lines good. Just for fun, if you're ready and up for a challenge, and if you have rewound and tried those parts with me good, 5 times good, you can try to put hands together here. So if nothing else, you can just listen to this, and this will be helpful to hear it. Hands together. Let's try hands together. 1, 2, and ready, go. Go Tell Aunt Rhody. So if you don't get hands together, just listen to the hands together and try playing one hand along with it, just the right hand or just the left hand. So hopefully the video is helpful and you have a great practice week. Thanks for watching.